Hey guys, it's been a long day at work. It's time to go and unbox something real quick. I went and I picked up a flashlight today. This is the flashlight I've been using for quite some time. It's the Boulder by Anchor. It's a great little flashlight. I mean, I've dropped it on the concrete, dropped it under cars, through engine compartments, everything else. It hits the ground, and so far hasn't went out. It's been a really good flashlight. But I decided I needed something where I can put it underneath the car hood, underneath the car, so I can work on cars underneath them a little bit, not have to have an extra hand free. So I picked up one of these Braun flashlights from Harbor Freight. So I figured just kind of unbox it real quick, just see how it looks, check it out a little bit. I don't have a knife in me, so I'm just going to use a pair of scissors. Now, I don't remember what the brand is they compare it to. The information should be on my cell phone, and I don't have that. I'm using my cell phone right now. But anyway, it's sorry about that. I had a customer walk through. Didn't want to look like a crazy person. Anyway, they compare this one to the Astro, I believe it is. And you know, it's what, probably about 12, 14 inches long. I see I already scratched it from using the scissors on it. Anyway, it's a pretty bright flashlight. You poke it once, that comes on like that. Poke it again, dims down. Poke again, turns off. Poke it again. How was it? Well, yeah, you poke it real fast and it does that on the very end of it. The nice thing about this light is it is adjustable, and it's also magnetic. So I can stick it underneath the car hood and have no problem at all with it. It should work pretty good. It does rotate this like that as well. So it's what, 180-degree rotation? Yeah. Pretty nice. No, that'd be like 90. Oh, that's a 180. This is also 180. So pretty adjustable. I think it's going to be a pretty good light. It is rechargeable. It's 390 lumens. It's supposed to have 11-hour and 30-minute run time. Visible up to 66 feet, it says. Came with a little charging cord, so that's going to work out pretty good. Can't tell what cord that is. So it's going to be a micro USB. So same as, I believe it's the same as my other one, isn't it? Yep. So the old Samsung chargers all will work with it. But yeah, that's first look at this flashlight. There's a little charging port. Anyway, I'll do a follow-up video later on and see how it holds up. Very bright. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.